What's going on? So I had ordered some wheels and they came in today. I'm gonna go pick them up. I bought some Avid ones, so I want to put them on today and then test drive it, see how it looks too. And I also do want to show you guys how the car drives a bit. So we'll go ahead and put them on and I'm gonna go take a test drive afterwards. So this is how the car looks. I do want to get the spoiler color matched. It came in with the wrong color when I ordered it. Get new taillights. These are the wheels that are on the Rx8 right now. And obviously I want to fix up like some of the paint defects you see here. First wheel on. Oh, shit looks sexy. Damn, someone over tightened it. So, seems like someone else over tightened it. So it snaps. This is the new one. I just put a new one in there. Alright, so I got the wheels on. Look pretty nice. Changes a lot of the looks of the car. So now I'm gonna go try out the new wheels for a test drive. Bro, I'm not even trying to race, bro. I'm just trying to like try out my new wheels. I mean, I like them. I like the way they look. So now I actually enjoy driving places and like looking at my car whenever I get out or come back in. Oh my God, I'm gonna fucking love it. I want to see how my car looks though when I'm driving. It's got to be crazy. All right, now we're about to hop on the freeway. I want to really make this thing pop. Oh, the way it gurgles, bro, like under 3K. Sounds nice. never get over this car. I never get old of me making the car pop. I also want to get a tune to make it pop more. But I also do need a tune because the previous owner has swapped the transmission to a manual. So I gotta get that shit fixed so I can be in sync, I guess, something like that. Now we're gonna head back, do a little Yui. Everything seems fine though. Torqued everything, feels fine. I've never had like new wheels on a car before. Like me personally, like just buying the wheels. Like I'm excited as how to have them. Like I'm a little nervous. Like I just feel like I'm always gonna fuck up. I can't see shit. Like a BRZ over there with underglow. I don't know how I feel about underglow though. Like I think it's coming back up. Like back then it was a thing and then it died down and now it's starting to come back up because now it's different. But I don't know. If I ever were to get like underglow, it'll probably be just like white, nothing like colorful. Who knows? Maybe. That's just like a big maybe. But what I want to do with the old wheels that I took off of this car, I want to put them on the TC. I want to make the TC a wide body. So put the wheels on there, probably get some spacers. I have spacers on the TC right now, but we'll see how it fits once I put the new wheels on it. Ooh. At low RPMs. Okay, it's getting in right now, so I can go fit through there. Park this bad boy here. Watch me scrape my wheels.